Good news for express entry candidates, the pool is finally getting less crowded. If you've been tracking express entry closely and feeling stuck because of high CRS competition, this update might actually bring some relief. Canada's express entry pool is finally showing clear signs of easing pressure, especially at the top end of the CRS score range. And this shift is happening because of one key reason. IRCC has been issuing a large number of invitations in a very short period of time. What is the latest express entry overview? Over the past month alone, thousands of high-scoring profiles have exited the express entry pool after receiving invitations to apply. In fact, nearly 5,000 candidates with CRS scores above 500 are no longer in the pool, which is a significant drop compared to previous months. Overall, IRCC removed 8 400-plus profiles across all CRS ranges, and more than half of those removals came from candidates scoring between 501 and 600. This tells us something very important. Recent express entry draws were not random. They were clearly designed to pull out top-ranking candidates through CEC draws, French language draws, healthcare draws, and PNP rounds. Because of this, the total express entry pool size has dropped to around 237,000 profiles, making it the smallest pool Canada has seen since March 2025. Now, let's talk about where competition has reduced the most. The sharpest declines happened in 3 CRS ranges: 501 to 600, 461 to 470, 411 to 420. Together, these score bands accounted for almost 86% of all profiles removed in the last month. This is important because it means fewer people are now sitting above you in the rankings, especially if your CRS is in the mid-400s or higher. Another interesting insight is how busy IRCC has been recently. Between early November and mid-December, 12 express entry draws were conducted, issuing more than 32,500 invitations. What are the key takeaways? Some of the lowest CRS cutoffs of the year came from these category-based draws, which shows that express entry is no longer only about chasing the highest CRS score. Instead, IRCC is clearly focusing on skills, language ability, Canadian experience, and strategic labor needs. So what does all this mean for you? If your CRS score sits anywhere between the mid-400s and low 500s, your chances may be improving, especially if you qualify under a category-based draw, have Canadian work experience, or strong French language skills. This is a good time to reassess your profile, update your documents, and stay alert. With fewer high-scoring profiles crowding the pool, upcoming draws could continue to bring positive surprises. Conclusion: and if you're unsure where you stand or which pathway suits you best, Universal Advisor can help you evaluate your CRS score, identify category-based eligibility, and explore PNP options that match your profile. This shift in the express entry pool is a reminder that timing and strategy matter just as much as points, and right now, the system is finally starting to open up. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.